killer, tryna make it to the top. We can't take everybody with us, we can't get everybody rich. We can't fuck everybody, bitches. I'm afraid to catch a case. I feel like everybody snitching, cold sweats and the shivers. I be having premonitions. Growing up, ain't had no license unless it's set to check the engine. Unless we had to spark the wick, show somebody that we miss them. I will park a nigga shit. Streets got dark and niggas quit, huh? Tell me where you from, I ain't heard of that. In the city, baby, your first rap can be a murder rap. I will let you hold it, but you gotta bring my burner back. One up in the top, I get the drop, you know I'm surfing that. Send them up to heaven gates, now it's mama selling place. Now it's homies washing cars, cause he out here acting hard. Please don't try to get involved, unless you wanna prove it. Cause my gangsters really moving hard, don't cut them niggas, shoot away.
あ、昔のやつはそこです、そこです、そこです。あ、伏線になってドロッコさんっていうのが昔の3位での温泉やったね。 Thank you.
ありがとう。
Goes hand me your oversized. I can see through my disguise.
Just like that, we in Arashiyama. Man, that was amazing. I need to pee. I'm drunk, but that was.
Hope you understand. We won't go as planned.
Alright, food reveal. Ooh. That's already better than Kobe beef. I know that.
Hold me while you can. Hold me while you can. I'll still be your fan. Ooh, you come back again. Hold me while you can. Hold me while you can. Skin tight. Are you around? Come back. Cutie pie. Oh my attitude. My type. Ooh, it's not black or white. Now every time that I tell you bite, if I cover you spend all night. Can't make this love if I'm not that nice. So you understand. We won't go as planned. Hold me while you can. Hold me while you can. I'll still be your friend. Oh, come back again. You better hold me while you can. Hold me while you can. They tried to say just ask, 'cause you know how I like it. Swallow your pride, won't cut on the track. 'Cause I care for you. No one else, baby. If I can't call you, I will shake it. Even though you should leave me for good. Skin tight. We won't go
Yo, that meal was super good. Better than that Kobe beef, whatever that was. Funny story though, I'm in there eating and they're playing music and they low-key sample snitched on the homie because they played a song and I was like, yo, are they playing AZ right now? But nah, it's just a sample. So I had to text him like, yo, I didn't know that was a sample. So good find. Shout out to that place. Also shout out to my boy Kelvin for putting me on, cause you know I need some good food. So alright, let's go explore Kyoto. I got some stores. Map reveal. Yeah, just gonna walk towards it right now.
Baby gotta hustle just like me. Pay rent, fix your hair nice and neat. Dark skin, shiny eyes, shiny white teeth. Might push you on a fly ball next week, but I cancel my swag cause it ain't cheap. Front avenues make more ends meet.
Alright, here it is, called Meta. Let's see what they got.